Hi everybody, it's Lou Manfedini, Ace's home expert, with 5 devices to help keep you and your home safe. It starts first with the Honeywell Winter Watchman. This is a very simple device that I think you'll find to be super useful. You essentially plug this into an outlet in your home and you'll see the dial on there has a temperature setting, 30, 40, 50, and 60 degrees. The idea behind that is if the temperature dips below that set temperature on the dial, there's a plug on the very top, if you take a look there with the camera, that you're going to plug a lamp into, which will be on. Now you're going to put that lamp in your front window of your home and you're going to tell the neighbor, hey, I'm going to be in Florida during January if you live in a cold climate. And if you see that lamp go on, that means that my furnace went out, and if you could come in and check it out, that would be great. So this is low tech, but it's a simple way to make sure that your home doesn't freeze in the wintertime if you live in a colder climate. Now, water can also be a damaging aspect of your home, depending on what happens if you've got a sump pump or you're worried about water getting into a basement or mechanical room or a water heater that might burst and leak. This water alarm by First Alert allows you to put a 9-volt battery in the sensor, and then there's the actual water sensor portion of it has a wire that you can connect up to 6 feet away from this. And if you were to get water in an area that you don't want to get water, this alarm would go off, alerting you to the problem. Now, if you're looking to protect your home from intrusion, this is a very simple window glass alarm from a company called Sabre. You actually apply this to the glass. You can put it on a sliding window, a sliding glass door, a double hung window, whatever it might be. It senses the vibration in the glass if the window or door were to be opened or shattered, and the alarm would go off. I believe it's 120 decibels, so it's a pretty loud alarm that's going to alert both you and whoever the intruder may be to tell them to get the heck out of there. Now, if the power goes out, that can be a problem. This is a simple device that you actually plug into a receptacle in your home, and if the power goes out, it will give you a little alarm alert, as well as the light will go on, and you can actually unplug this light and carry it around and have battery power for up to 2 hours walking around. So if you're worried about the power going out in the middle of the night and you not knowing that, this will give off a sound as well as turn the light on to alert you as to what's going on. And then as a personal security device, this is from GE. It's essentially a door stop. Maybe there's a door in your home that you don't use all the time and you want a little added security besides a deadbolt or a chain that you may have there. You can wedge this under the door to keep the door from being opened, and if it is forced open, it will actually sound an alarm. You could even take this as you travel and use it in hotel rooms if you'd like added security. If you need more information, you can always go to your participating Ace store or visit us at acehardware.com.